So, Dr. Cullen and Gail both touched on data harmonization previously. I think that what's going to be equally or even additionally critical to that is process harmonization across facilities, right? Because you can collect the data, you can have a standard for your data, but if every medical facility follows a different process, we need to figure out how that fits into the data building, right? Because it's humans that are putting this data together.
Very good point.
Right. So one of the things that we've seen is, for instance, you can have a handful of facilities, and maybe they're all specialized in different things. So their processes need to be slightly different from each other, but that doesn't mean that the facility as a whole has to run all individual processes. So, for instance, all the facilities have to have lab requests, right? Do they all have to have different lab requests versus how they collect patient data? That patient data may be different, but a lab request may be pretty consistent across the board. So how do we identify the processes that can be made more efficient across the industry, across facilities, and then how do we manage those and monitor those to make sure that we are finding the places that we can help the humans be more efficient, right? Help the providers and anybody else, from people who are entering the data to people who are using the data, to become better at creating an environment where data can be shared more effectively.
Excellent point.